Yes, folks, indeed. Now, picked this up a couple of days ago. Ash. Got it in Groucho's. No, just about... When did I get this? Oh, it's been a while since I had this anyway. I got it from Groucho's for £1. Now, I bought this because there was a song by Ash that I heard, and I thought, that's awesome, man. So I went out and bought this album. I'm aware of Ash. I've heard some of their stuff before, and I actually quite like them. I think the guy, Tim Wheeler, the main man for Ash, he writes some great melodies, some really nice melodies and key changes and things. So this album, I just bought it. And it's okay, but it's got some fantastic tracks on it. There's the Burn Baby Burn. Oh man, that's just brilliant. And we've got Shining Light, Walking Barefoot, and there's a Star, which is just this awesome sort of, it's not a fast song, it's nice, it's not like it's like a slow song, but it's awesome. And there's a Star, yes. So some fantastic tracks on there. A couple of Duff ones. They use a sampler for this candy thing. It's just, oh, it's not very good. But yeah, I would give this a solid 7 out of 10 on the album-ometer. Something I just picked up, as I said, folks, and yeah, just I don't like the cover. Look at the drummer. I think that's the drummer there, him. Look at that. Dear, oh dear, what a bad album cover that is, man. But however, the songs on it, there's some really nice, as I said, some nice melodies on that. It's kind of fast grunge pop punk. If I don't know if that's a genre, but yeah, as I said, some really nice songs on there. Burn Baby Burn. I mean, just the lyrics are okay, but the melodies and the tune, man, fuck, oh, awesome. Almost said it. Beep. Right, we're going to work. Look at this hat, man. Look at this hat. Look at this. I've had this for about 20 years, I would say. I got this back in '95 or something, but it is. Look at that. It's you know, everybody laughs at, oh, look at you, but it is. It's just, I love it. I love this hat. I don't wear it very often, but I'm going to start wearing it in our winters here. So there we go. Look at that. Right, in we go. Let's see how many people laugh at my hat when I go to work. But yeah, all of them. Now, folks, just a little postscript to the Ash bit that I did. There's a song in here, the 12 tracks, called "There's a Star." Now, if you check that online, "There's a Star" by Ash. I think that'll make a brilliant James Bond film, and it's the only track of music that I've listened to recently where, as I was listening to it, listen to it again, the hair on my arms, goosebumps stood up there. The song, it kind of starts slowly, and then it's got that typical sort of John Barry, James Bond sort of descending feel to it, you know, and it explodes into life after about a couple of minutes, and oh man, and that's the goosebumps started. So what do you think, folks? There's a Star by Ash. Go and check it out online. It must be online somewhere. And see if you agree with me that I make a great James Bond track. Ash, Free All Angels, a fantastic album. A couple of fillers on it, but most of the songs I think are actually quite good. I'm going to go get some more stuff by Ash because, as I said, I was aware of them back in the 90s, and I thought, yeah, quite good, but it's one of these bands you kind of forget about. So there they are, folks. Ash, definitely recommend it. Thank you. Folks, I'm trying to work my oven. It's just, I don't know what's happening. It's making this noise. I pressed a couple of buttons and it's doing this. It's going on and then off again. What's going on here, man? It's got 88.8. That's just the nothings, I know, but what's going on? Hey, stop. Stop doing that. Maybe I should turn it off. Right. Oh, it's still doing it. Oh, no, it's still doing it. What's going on? Open the door, see if that helps. No? Oh, for goodness sake, man. Right. I don't know. I think I've set the timer or something, folks. Oh, for goodness sake. Right, let's just turn the whole thing off at the wall. And we shall start again. See, I haven't read the instructions for this oven. I mean, I didn't think there'd be instructions. It's just, you know, turn it on and... Right, here we go. We've got the 00 thing. Now, to turn the oven on, we put the dial up to whatever it's going to be. Now. Oh, I've put a minute. Why don't you just come on? Right, was that it? I've done it. I think I've done it, folks. Right. So tonight for tea I'm having fish with these potato gratin things that Rosie's been going crazy about. They're like little just potatoes with cheese and sort of fluffy stuff in them. Brilliant. So I'm having that fish and peas. I love peas, man. So we're going for that. So let's get the oven on nice and high. There we go. And we'll get the fish in. It's one of these nice fish. You know, I'll go and see what it is. Hang on. Use these things, folks. This is 4 potato dauphinoise. Sliced potato and rich cream, emmental and extra mature cheddar cheese sauce. Wow. Sounds great.
So that's the bitter ones. That's the good ones that you get out all this.
Right, there's the fish I'm having, folks. 2 lemon and pepper fish fillet. Excellent. I just had one though. There we go. You can't hide forever behind pillars in the mine, because the pillars get eroded by the turbulence of time. Right, folks, we are going to work. Now, some exciting news here about Kit Kat. I know, look at this. Right, there's Kit Kat. Now you think, oh, Kit Kat. But, oh, jeez, oh, what a fright give me, goodness me. That's ash, by the way. Kit Kat is now in a new packet. Look, it's not in tin foil anymore, although they've got a fake sort of tin foil look about them. So you think they're still in tin foil, but they're not. They're in this new plastic wrapping. I wonder if it says anything about it, actually. It doesn't actually say. There wasn't a thing on the packet that said, you know, new wrapping, because for years we've had tin foil, a thin layer of tin foil. You have to rip them off and, oh man, but now we've just got that plastic. So anyway, the Kit Kat will still taste the same. That's the main thing. Right, we are going to work, folks. It is, 20 to 5. Let's go. 26, let's go. Forever behind pillars in the mind, cause the pillars get eroded by the turbulence of time. Oh, crikey, what's happened? Disaster. Just as I was getting right into it there. Right, goodness me, look, it came off the strap came off the stud at the back there, right. Take 2. Forever behind pillars in the mind, cause the pillars get eroded by the turbulence of time. How long did you stay this way? Do you know what price I have to pay? For laughing and laughing all the time of my you. How long did you stay this way? And what is the price I pay? For laughing all the time when paying attention. Can't hide forever behind pillars in the mind, cause the pillars get eroded by the turbulence of time. Here we go. How long does it stay this way? To the price I have to pay for not paying attention in my life. How long does it stay this way? And what is the price I pay for not paying attention? That's work through life. There you go. The bottle of wine. I got this from work. This bottle of wine wasn't very good actually. Look, North Cellars. Not very good. There you go. So yeah, I'll do that again. Paul, my mate Paul started watching these videos from work, and he always slags me off for doing something. It's dead funny actually the way he does it. So Paul, here's a sample from a film. And what film is it? Go on. I love the smell of napalm first thing in the morning. Reminds me of victory. Right, go on. Oh, crikey, what's happened? Disaster. Spider-Man.
White 17, red number 1, red number 5, red 19.
Oh, wow, it's gone far. Oh, there it goes, isn't it? Sure, look at it. There it goes. What's that, Rob? It's a spider, yeah. Watch out, I'll get you.